Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a nice running and working 2018 Kubota SVL75-2 rubber track skid steer loader. It's an open cab machine. It is 2-speed, does have power quick attach. It has brand new Camzo wide tracks on it, brand new OEM Kubota sprockets, $475 a piece for sprockets, about $2,700 in tracks. We have been through the quick attach. We have changed every single filter and oil on this machine, serviced it. It is a good, dry, tight machine with new tracks, new sprockets. I spend money on my stuff. I know what I have. We put the brother to this one out last week. What was on it, Matt? 23 something on it, 2,200. It was sold within 12 hours. These are priced, in my opinion, reasonable and a realistic pricing compared to what some guys are asking for stuff. Yes, stuff is hard to come by. It is hard to get new machines. It's hard to get good used machines. But we have some nice stuff, and I'm glad to have it at the moment. So, this machine, we did paint this bottom gray on the machine. Again, new tracks. We're going to start you back here at the engine compartment. We're going to take a completely around the machine. As I mentioned in the ad, something into the side of the machine here. Something, it looks to us like a cable where somebody was working somewhere. They got up against something here and they scratched the steel up here and they put a scratch and a dent right there. It does not affect the structure of the machine, anything of that nature. I could be a jerk, not point it out, but I'm going to. There are a couple dings in the louvers on the back radiator cover, typical. Other than that, radiator's not damaged. Under the hood, powered by a Kubota V3307 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. And again, it is a V3307. We changed fuel, engine oil, hydraulic, air filters. Any filter it required, we did it. And they're all factory Kubota filters. Both sides match. Again, both brand new tracks, both brand new sprockets. All orange paint is original up on the top. There was some touch up done some time ago on the front of the loader arms. Brand new CID Extreme heavy duty 72-inch smooth edge bucket. This unit is still a true oil pilot control. So the newer models now have electric over hydraulic. These are true oil pilot control. A lot better feel to these. Standard auxiliary hydraulics. Suspension, high back seat. Not a whole lot to show you, but I'm going to take you and show you in the cab. One ding up top here in the cab, one little spot right there. Other than that, everything else is square. Grab handles are good and square. Floor mat is good. Seat is good. Other than there's a little mark right there and a little mark right there. Start the machine here, you'll see everything releases. 2,355 hours. No error codes. Over here is for your power quick attach. There's one little button missing off of here. It still functions and does what it's supposed to do, just telling you that. Horn button is here. Auxiliary hydraulics is there. Cage is good and straight. Cup holder. Turn the camera back over to Matt. We'll fire him back up again. I want to run him around for it. Show he does everything it's supposed to do. there you have it, 2018 Kubota SVL75-2, 2,355 hours.
Yep.
Brand new Camzo wide tracks, brand new OEM Kubota sprockets, full service, new 72-inch heavy duty buckets, not some cheap bucket, power quick attach 2-speed, very good running working machine, very hard to find good stuff. Matt, I don't think we priced this machine for enough, we should change that. Other than this scuffing here, very good machine, very happy with it. Good running operating skid loader. If you're looking for a good machine, here's something to take a look at. I have to laugh today. There's all these people in all these forums that are buying auction stuff. And they're so hung up on their ego of, oh, I sold that for this. And there's people sending stupid offers, don't get me wrong. But then you get these guys where they're on this ego trip. Oh, I got this sold for this. Well, it's easy to buy something at an auction and then take it home and you sell it on the internet. You don't do any work, don't stand behind what you sell, any of that stuff. But I spend time, we through my stuff, we know what we have. We did change planetary oil also, standing here thinking about that. I like to get through our stuff. We do things here a little different. We take time. We don't just do like a 10-second video of it running. We take this time to run around and show you what it's supposed to do. That's how we like to do it. That's how it should be done. It's how a lot of people should do it. They don't care. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Go ahead.
What?
Give us a call if you need a freight quote. We're glad to help you. If you want to come by and see yourself in person, have nothing to hide, come run it. It's full of fuel. Help yourself. It's the best they can do. Come spend the afternoon running. I don't care.